Gina here again, and we realized that we forgot to put at the end of the last video the video of Buddy the bird, and also I might as well put the other little one I took when I was over at Cinda and Mike's house of the garage, and you will see Noah and another baby there. Okay, let's get going. And here we are in the bird room, and this is Buddy. This is Mike's bird. Hi, Buddy. What are you doing? He's a cockatoo, and he loves attention. Now, I'm kind of a stranger because I don't visit with him a whole lot, but he likes to sit on Mike's lap while he's watching TV, and he gets upset if he doesn't get attention. He makes a lot of noise. Huh, Buddy? Yes, you do. Yeah, you're a pretty bird, though. You're a pretty bird. Yeah. Yeah. You're a star now. He's like, don't point that thing at me. I'm getting away. I'm getting away. Yeah. I'm getting away. Huh? Oh, he's curious, huh? He's curious. I think I've petted him before. Yeah. He doesn't bite. Yeah. But somebody had to get rid of him, and so Mike took him. Took the poor fella in, huh? Yeah, to give you a home, but you're being quiet right now. Yeah. Oh, yeah. What are you doing? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go back in the man cave. Okay. I'll see you later. Bye, Buddy. Hello, everyone. Mama Gina here. And we are in Uncle Mike's garage. Yay! We made it. And here's the boys. Little Eddie and Noah. Yeah, they were good on the car ride over. So they're just sitting on this cute little bench here. There's my bag next to them. So we're going to figure out something to do. And we brought the karaoke machine with the extra speaker, and over here is the slots. Yeah, I don't know that there's any money in there. But here's just a quick tour because it's been a while since I've done a video in here. He's always moving things around and collecting different things. I don't see the pinball, so maybe he didn't get them. I'll have to ask. And there's another slot. And then, of course, all of the collectibles. It's probably a little dark, so I'll turn it over this way and take a walk. I like these little tables he has. Look at those guys. Those are funny. Ooh, some chips. And let's see. A vintage Pepsi machine. It actually has sodas in there. And this is usually where we park it, over here on the couch. And there's the little babies. I brought them to show off. And then back here, he doesn't have his karaoke machine set up. His is really big. So I just brought the little one, that's why I got that one. And there is a gumball machine. Look at that. Wow, that is really cool. Of course, foosball. And then, oh, I didn't see his Coca-Cola display. Well, I love this Coca-Cola sign right here. It's mesmerizing. I could just watch it all night long. Wouldn't mind having one of those. And here's the Coca-Cola collection. Wow. That's really cute. Yeah, he's changed that since I was here. And he actually has a shed in the back that's full of collectible figurines and toys and stuff like that that he sells every once in a while. Yeah, So nobody else is here yet. Maybe, well, we'll figure out something to do. Be right back.